In my last video, we broke down exactly how a $10,000 portfolio could act as your defensive shield in 2026. But I heard you. Not everyone has $10,000 sitting in a brokerage account right now. The truth is, every massive defensive shield you see out there started as a single brick. Every mountain of wealth started as a small, cold snowball. Today, I'm going to show you how to take that same high-quality strategy using VOO, SCHD, and the others, and apply it to a monthly $100 contribution. We're going to look at the dividend snowball effect in real time. We'll see how $100 a month, combined with the power of compounding and those ultra-low fees we talked about, can turn into a financial fortress over time. It's not about how much you start with. It's about how consistently you push. Let's build your blueprint, dollar by dollar. The truth is, every massive defensive shield you see out there started as a single brick. For us, those bricks are VOO and SCHD. But why these two? Think of VOO as your heavy-duty engine. It tracks the 500 largest, most successful companies in the US. When the American economy moves forward, your engine roars. It's built for broad market growth and long-term reliability. But an engine needs a chassis, a fortress to protect it. That's SCHD. This fund doesn't just buy any stock. It handpicks 100 high-quality dividend payers with a proven track record of increasing their payouts year after year. It's your defensive wall against market volatility. This is how your $100 per month transforms. It's not just a savings account, it's a future money machine. By consistently adding bricks to your wall, you're giving yourself the actual possibility to retire early. Together, VOO and SCHD don't just protect your capital, they build a compounding masterpiece that literally pays you to own it. Every dollar you invest today is a soldier working for your freedom tomorrow. Now, let's step inside the vault and look at the actual numbers that fuel your freedom. Many people just look at the stock price, but that's only half the story. First, we have VOO. Historically, the S&P 500 has delivered an average annual return of around 10%. This is your capital appreciation, your engine pushing the car forward. But then we add the secret weapon, SCHD. While SCHD also grows in price, its real power lies in dividend growth. Over the last decade, SCHD has increased its payout by an average of 11% every single year. Imagine your salary getting an 11% raise every year, regardless of what your boss says. That is what these 100 quality companies do for you. When you take those dividends and reinvest them, buying more soldier dollars, you trigger an exponential explosion. This isn't a linear path. It's a curve that starts slow, but eventually shoots toward the sky. By keeping your fees near zero with these low-cost ETFs, you aren't leaking fuel. Every cent stays in the vault, working, multiplying, and compounding. This isn't just math. It's your roadmap to a life where work is optional. I've shown you the engine, the fortress, and the money machine. But I haven't shown you the actual results. What does a consistent $100 monthly investment really look like over time? Let's look at the data. In the beginning, it feels slow. After 10 years, you've laid your foundation. It's a start, but the engine is just warming up. By year 20, your money machine is truly working for you. Now, the momentum is shifting. But look what happens at year 30. Through the unstoppable power of compounding and dividend growth, your small monthly habit has transformed into a massive freedom fund of over $220,000. This is why we build. This isn't just a portfolio, it's the ultimate defensive shield. Built with quality, fueled by growth, and protected by dividends. You now have the blueprint. Start building your shield today. Please remember, all information in this video is for educational purposes only. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Investing involves risk, and you should always consult a professional financial advisor before making any investment decisions. You've seen the data, and you've seen the power of the machine. But remember, the math only works if you start. This is your defensive shield. It's a blueprint for a life where you don't work for money, but your money works for you. Every dollar you invest today is a soldier marching toward your future freedom. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start with your first $100. Build your fortress. Forge your shield. Start today. If you found this blueprint helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to join our march toward financial freedom. It helps the channel and brings this message to more future investors. To understand exactly why we use these two specific funds, watch my deep dive video on the defensive shield right here. In that video, I break down why VOO and SCHD are the ultimate power couple for your portfolio. See you in the next one.